Okay, see you tomorrow.
Hey, the mail's here. What'd you get?
Let's see. Gary. Hey, a magazine! That's funny. I don't remember subscribing to Fancy Living.
It's Quandale.
Look at these glossy depictions of a higher standard of living. This guy's so rich, he has a swimming pool in his swimming pool.
This guy's got...
Give me that! Stealing my mail, eh? You're lucky I don't report you to the...
Hey, Squidward, how do the people in that magazine
They're entrepreneurs. They s*** to people.
What kind of
How should I know? Things people want to... Now keep your paws off my mail.
That's it, Patrick. We gotta come on.
Is that gonna hurt? I'm warning you! Don't! Stop it! Don't! Oh! No! Time for thinking.
No, something real, an item, something you would pay for.
A chocolate bar?
That's a great idea, Pat. We'll be traveling chocolate bar salesmen. Fancy living? Here we come.
Make way for a couple of entrepreneurs.
Okay, Patrick, this is it. The first step on our road to living fancy. Just follow my lead. Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Chocolate? Did you say chocolate?
Yes, sir. With or without nuts.
Chocolate? Chocolate!
Okay, the first guy didn't count. This is our real first step. Good morning, sir. Like to buy some chocolate?
Chocolate bars, eh?
Yes, sir. We are chocolate bar salesmen.
Couple of mediocre salesmen, if you ask me.
Back up, Jack.
Nice place you got here.
I can't understand what we're doing wrong.
I can't...
There must be something to this selling game that we're just not getting. Other people do it. I mean, look at that.
Eat barnacle chips. They're delicious.
They are most certainly not delicious.
Not the way I use them.
Yet they sell millions of bags a day.
Well, maybe if they didn't stretch the truth, they wouldn't sell as many.
That's it, Patrick. We've got to stretch the truth. We'll work as a team. Let me get this customer warmed up, and then you come...
The kill.
What's all that yelling? You just can't wait for me to die, can you?
They're selling chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah!
What? What are they selling?
Chocolate!
What?
Chocolate!
What?
Chocolate!
I can't hear you.
They're selling chocolate!
They're selling chocolate.
Yeah!
Chocolate. I remember when they first... Sweet, sweet chocolate. If we keep exaggerating the truth, we'll be fancy living in no time.
Hooray! This'll be the best lie yet.
Yeah, this guy'll feel so sorry. I'll have to buy all of our chocolate.
What can I do for you boys?
Hello, sir. We need an operation.